Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? I do hope everyone is fine. Today I am here with another safety topic, safety related video. Our today's topic is ladder safety guidelines for safe use of ladders. So first introduction of ladder is a ladder is a vertical or inclined set of rungs or steps used for climbing or descending. So ladders are one of the most commonly used piece of equipment in industry, in construction or industrial use. They are very easy to carry, versatile, and can be used in variety of jobs. While they can make many tasks easier, they can also be a safety hazard. You can take steps to protect yourself and others from ladder related injuries. So let's begin today's topic. So first is a introduction. What is ladder? A ladder is a vertical or inclined set of rungs or steps used for climbing or descending. Second definition, you can say it is a piece of equipment that has series of steps called rungs between two upright lengths of wood and metal. There are two types of ladders. One is rigid ladder that are self-supporting like A-type ladders. Second is a vertical or inclined ladders which needs to be leaned against a wall or other flat surface for support in order to use it, like you can say monkey ladders. Injuries from a ladder fall can be serious and include fractures, sprains, contusions, lacerations, as well as spinal and brain injuries. A fall can happen at any time and it is always unexpected. The top safety tip is to make sure you know how to properly use a ladder. Here are some examples, some parts of the ladders for A-type ladders and monkey ladders. Next is hazards. Hazards are condition or action that can cause injuries or illness. Ladders are one of the most commonly used and abused tools. Every year hundreds of people are hurt at work, get injured at work while using ladders. In order to prevent injuries from using a ladder, you must know how to identify the hazards that cause injuries and what to do to correct or eliminate them. Some of the hazards related to ladders used are reaching or leaning too far rather than moving the ladder, placing the ladder on boxes or pallets to make it taller, climbing the ladder while carrying items, using the wrong ladder for jobs such as using a step ladder as a straight ladder, standing on the very top step or rung, placing an extension or straight ladder at the wrong angle, worn or damaged ladders, exceeding the ladder's weight limit, throwing tools to a worker who is on the ladder, using metal ladders in the areas where contact with electrical wires could occur, placing the ladder on an uneven or unstable surface. Since the major hazard of a ladder is falling, here are the couple of other hazards that can cause falls. For example, raising or lowering someone with the forklift, working unprotected at height greater than 10 feet, using things like boxes and chairs instead of a ladder. Preventions or preventing falling off a ladder is common workplace accident. Following a few simple guidelines will help to keep you safe from being injured. Check for electrical power lines. Never use a metal or wet wooden ladder near electricity and never work near electrical lines if you have not been trained. Second is look for traffic in the area. Put up barriers if they are needed to prevent being tripped over. Third is check for doorways. Post signs on the door to alert others. Inspect the ladder to check for loose or damaged rungs, steps or braces. Make sure when you set up on the ladder that it is on solid ground. It should be leveled on solid ground. Apply the 4 to 1 rule. Ladder should be 1 foot from the base of the supporting item from every 4 feet of height. Always face the ladder when climbing and hold on with both hands. Carry tools in a tool belt or raise and lower with a lifeline or. Next is check your shoes and ladders. Check your shoes and ladders rungs for slippery material. Don't lean out to the side if something is out of your reach. Get down Move the ladder. When assessing the roof or a landing, make sure the ladder extends 3 feet past the landing and tie the ladder off to prevent it from slipping. Check ladder capacity before use. Ensure that anti-slip footings are in place. If you find a ladder in poor condition, don't use it. Report it to your supervisor or remove it from your working site. Reporting hazards to your supervisor is an important part of preventing injuries. Eliminating injuries from falling off a ladder takes everyone knowing the hazard and how to avoid them. So next, few more steps. Think ahead. Choose the right ladder for the job. Don't use step ladder in place of straight or extension ladder. Second is check for electrical power lines. Straight or extension ladder should extend 3 feet above the top support point or landing. Secure the ladder to prevent it from moving. Look for traffic in the area. Put up barriers if needed to prevent the ladder from being tripped over. This point we already discussed. Check for doorways. Post sign on the door if working near a doorway. Act now. Inspect the ladder. Check for loose or damaged rungs, steps or braces. If you find a ladder in poor condition, don't use it. Report it and remove it from the working area. Also inform the store that this ladder is damaged. Make sure when you set up the ladder, it is on solid level ground. You may need to use a wooden or plastic leveling wedge. Apply the 4-to-1 rule. Ladder should be 1 foot from the wall of every 4 feet of height. Step ladder should be completely opened and the spreader locked before use. Next is watch your step. Always face the ladder when climbing and hold on with both hands. Carry tools in a tool belt or raise and lower with a line. Check your shoes and ladders rungs for slippery material. Don't lean out to the side. Keep your body positioned between the side rails. If something is out of your reach, get down and move the ladder. Thanks for watching and support. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Please subscribe so you can get all the updates related to health, safety, environment videos. Thank you.